higher than top of pan.
Oh, 2 batches? That looks good.
Doesn't it? That's not smooth.
Oh. Why am I doing all the work here?
Matt's here.
Okay.
No, Josh.
Hey, Maddie, can you,
We need a spoon now.
we also need this to be sprayed with cookies and
Someone
spray.
here got
Right in the closet there.
Oh, we should use a different spoon. Those are just for playing, okay? This is for
Top,
real
way
food.
up top, on the right.
What is this?
That is chocolate chip cookie mix.
Okay, Josh. Josh,
Okay.
where is that mix?
Hold on.
Wow.
I got mine. I got my tool. Mama, what do we need to do
Now,
Hold on.
Amy's getting the pan, and we're gonna spoon some of the cake mix into the pan, okay? Maddie, don't
We
touch
need
that
a
other-
little tiny spoon.
No, right, all the way to the right. Nope.
A pan.
Oh no, the other one.
I got my tools. So now it's time to put them in our pocket.
Okay,
I
careful.
have 2 tablespoons under. Okay. Mama,
Yep.
can I bounce on you?
You wanna bounce on me?
So I can share with you.
See?
Thank you.
Those are gonna be delicious.
You're gonna be little.
Oh, they're like the size for children.
Well.
And for chipmunks. Chipmunk. I am Goosey.
Goofy, not goosey.
Okay.
Now what? Chef?
Now we put it on this.
Put it on that.
Who
and then
has the giant spoon?
Look at the giant purple spatula spoon.
Okay.
Maddie has it, okay.
All right, Maddie.
Yeah.
Is this preheated for 20 minutes?
I think so. Good enough, isn't it?
How long? All right. So
We have 12 minutes left? Oh, should we
we
wait?
have to wait.
We should make the frosting then.
Yep, we have to wait a little bit.
Make the frosting.
We're gonna just let those
How do we
sit
make
there
the
for just a
frosting?
second.
This guy's name is Chef Joshua.
Chef Joshua.
A frosting coming out for me. I need frosting for Matthew, Chef.
How do you make the frosting? Okay. We need 1 teaspoon of water.
Oh,
Teaspoon is under the couch. I have it
There's one over here.
teaspoon.
I have it
I
here.
need 1 teaspoon.
Hello?
First,
It's over here.
can I have 1 teaspoon?
Oh, these ones.
Here.
I have metal ones too.
Can I have a teaspoon?
Look at this.
Right there. So, Poopsie has
1
it.
teaspoon of water.
Can I have 1? No, this time I get to do it.
Okay, wait. Mama's coming over with the bowl.
Yep, Maddie's turn. Is that a teaspoon? Yes. All right. One more.
Alright. Eat your cantaloupe,
Okay, now we need a little fork to mix it.
Can I do first? Well, I think both of them. Then you get back in your seat. And then we'll go down to no. I don't put out my tools. See, 5, 8,
Go. Who's mixing the frosting? Oh, what happened here?
Me.
No, that's for play, honey. We're going to use a real fork. Here, you both can do it. You can mix and Maddie can mix after.
Ah.
Where is it? Are you videoing this?
Mm-hmm.
The camera's over here.
Whoa.
Whoa,
You're
are
okay.
you drunk?
Really, it's only a teaspoon to make that frosting? I'm not buying it. For 1
Since I do
teaspoon.
it, I might feel and you do it. And it looks kind of Dosh. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, now it's Maddie's turn to mix.
Here go.
No, man, it's not for eating, it's for mixing.
I'm looking what I just did.
You did great. Did I read it wrong, Amy?
Nope, you did
Just
perfect.
checking.
Okay, let's mix it good. Gotta get the stuff off the sides, okay?
Focus. I don't know.
Some of the teenagers at the high school do not know how to tell time.
Good job, Maddie.
Did you try it on yet?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
You got it
My
good?
mama wants me to try it on more.
Right, I think that you can,
Okay, Mama.
That's gonna be so good.
Where the shed?
okay, so this is the baking line right here.
Okay.
So you only push it in up to that line.
Okay.
And-
I have that. How do you make it?
Don't
Joshua,
put anything
no.
in there.
Hey, Josh.
Okay, I just need to do take it in there.
Don't put your finger in there.
Right.
Nothing goes in there.
Let's eat the food.
Only the food.
Only burnt crackers.
Wait, I'm just looking to see how this works.
Oh,
okay. So,
Okay, let's
wait.
just shove her in.
No, hold on a
Tackle
second.
in it. And no cook.
He's a little sponge, remember.
Okay.
Don't touch.
It's hot. This is for 8-year-olds. Oh, okay. So, you should put that in there and up to the line.
Up to that.
Wait, I don't think it goes the other way. It goes that way.
Is it supposed to be on top of it? Or just push it?
Okay.
Push it.
Can I just push it in?
I guess maybe you push it up to the line.
Up to what line?
Okay, Doc. Yeah. Okay, Dad, bake it.
Right, 10
Remember,
minutes.
you can't push her in oven.
Supposed to cook for 10 minutes.
She's in there.
And then how does she get out? That's stop when the baking line on the handle lines up with the edge of the, don't.
No.
That is too far. It needs to go. Okay.
Don't go any further. But then how do you get it out?
Push the pan into the baking chamber. Stop when the baking line on the handle lines up with the edge of the baking slot. You need 10 minutes.
That won't work.
36, so 12:45.
It won't go in.
See, I
Shows
have
it going the other
stick her,
direction.
Mama.
It shows it
And
going.
open this up.
Oh, Josh, no.
Here, let's
Get
put
hot,
this
Maddie.
back in here.
Don't touch it, Maddie.
Get
It's hot.
this
It's
in
an oven.
here.
Do not touch it.
Leany bit here.
What, because here's what can happen is
Did you
that
taste it?
there is
Yeah.
it can come
And
up
Look
like
at
this.
that.
Mommy.
Look. And then
That's smart. Look.
Yum.
here's,
No,
wait, it's not timing right now, there should be.
Yeah. Our food is baking.
It's done.
It's not done, it's hot is what it is. Okay,
We did it backwards.
it needs to go like this.
Help, can I have it?
You
Yes,
can help.
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 Don't get your fingers in it. Okay.
Perfect. Now we're gonna leave it in there until the
Yeah.
thing comes off.
This should be on YouTube.
No, it shouldn't. This is called an easy bake oven.
Yeah.
Hey.
How many people does it take?
Hey, Mama. The fence says, hey, Mama, you know that fence is 10 to 15.
Yes, that's 10, 15. Very good.
2:50.
You guys want to eat something else while we're waiting? Please something
We're
that close to
only
the oven.
And
waiting.
that's the time when you put that in.
So then, you
Okay.
do that and you can push it out, and that's how you get it out the other side.
Daddy.
Push it out.
Let's watch
Push it
this thing.
That's got conveyor belt or something on it.
Conveyor belt.
Okay, now we're gonna.
Now we have to wait for
But
it.
you push it all the way to the cooling chamber, you let it cool for 5 minutes, and then
Huh?
Let's let it cook